Hey, what's up guys, this is PushedToInsanity, and what you're watching today is another free intro template tutorial. Install the font if you don't already have it. Once you're finished installing the font, go back and open up the Cinema 4D part of the template. Once you open up the Cinema 4D part of the intro, go to File, Merge, and open up your logo. Your logo must be a Cinema 4D or a .ai file for it to be imported onto Cinema 4D. If you guys don't have a logo, you can just change the name and just include the name instead of a logo. I'll show you that after. Once you imported the logo, make sure you change the position of the X and Y values to 0 and resize your logo. Once you're finished doing that, open up your logo files. I'm deleting two of the parts for each of the logos since my logo only has 3 parts, so I only need 3 each. Now open up these and delete each path. Do the same for the top, and now just copy and paste your logo so you have 2 of these, and simply drag them onto the extrude NURBS. Do the same for the bottom. So once you're finished that, you can move your logo to center it. So if you want 2 names on top of each other, edit the bottom name by selecting the 2 middle motexts and change it to whatever you want. And select the top and bottom motext and change that to whatever you want. And if you want only 1 line of text, you can just delete either one and move the text to center it. Now if you want only your text and no logo, you can also delete the logo and center your text. You can also resize your text to make it a little bigger if you don't have the logo. And if you see some of the letters starting to disappear, you just gotta move your text a little bit outwards. So once you're finished, go to your render settings and save your intro to your own desktop or folder. Once you are finished, render your intro. Once you are finished rendering the Cinema 4D part of the intro, open up the After Effects. You'll notice that you have this rainbow screen, and this simply means that you're missing images from the template. So in order to fix this, right click and go to replace footage and replace the footage with what you just rendered in Cinema 4D. Now I didn't actually render out this intro template, however I'm going to demonstrate what you guys should do. So if you guys rendered it in the PNG sequence, which I do recommend, open up the first picture, which should be the 4 zeros, and make sure that the PNG sequence is checked and hit open. So once you do that, everything should be back to normal, and you guys can render the intro by going to composition, add to render queue, and render out your intro.